He hid just 100 in his pocket. No job, no contacts, no safety net. Only one thing, a dream to one day build something big. Today, he owns a 500 crore business empire. This is the true story of how a small town boy turned his pain into power, and poverty into prosperity. He was born in a remote village in India. His father was a factory worker, barely earning enough to feed the family. Electricity came and went. School was 5 kilometers away, and every morning he walked barefoot not by choice, but by necessity. Despite the struggles, he was a curious learner. While others played, he read newspapers that fish vendors threw away. At 17, his mother gave him the last 100 the family had. He packed a small bag and boarded a bus to the city. No plan, no place to stay, just a heart full of hunger. In the beginning, he slept on railway platforms. He did odd jobs from cleaning tables at roadside dhabas to unloading goods at shops. For weeks, he ate once a day. But no matter what, he never begged. He worked. And every night, he told himself, this is temporary. One day, while working at a mobile repair shop, he overheard a businessman talking about wholesale electronics. An idea sparked. He began saving every rupee, skipping meals, sleeping on cold floors, sacrificing comfort for one goal, starting his own business. After 3 years of struggle, he had saved 5,000. It wasn't much, but to him, it was gold. He went to Delhi's Nehru Place market and bought a few cheap Bluetooth speakers and power banks. He sold them door to door, shop to shop, often getting rejected, sometimes insulted. But every no pushed him harder. He reinvested every rupee. No vacations, no parties, only hustle. He learned branding, packaging, marketing, all from YouTube and books he read while sitting on footpaths. After 2 years of trading, he took a bold step. He registered his own brand, starting with mobile accessories. He hired 1 employee, then 2. His bedroom became his first office. Sales grew. Then doubled. Then exploded. Soon, e-commerce platforms like Amazon and Flipkart listed his brand. What started with 5,000 was now turning over lakhs per month. But success didn't come easy. Fake suppliers cheated him. One shipment failed. Another caught fire in a warehouse. But he never stopped. In his words, the goal is not money. The goal is freedom, and I'll earn it with dignity. 10 years later, that same brand now sells across India and exports to 5 countries. He owns multiple warehouses, a head office with 60+ staff, and turns over more than 500 crore a year. And to this day, he keeps that original 100 note framed on his office wall. A reminder of where he started. A reminder to never forget your roots. So the next time life feels too hard, when the road looks dark and failure surrounds you, think of this boy with nothing but 100, a dream, and a never quit attitude. Because the size of your bank balance doesn't define your future. Your vision does. Your effort does. And your belief that matters most. You don't need a rich father. You don't need fancy degrees. You just need to be hungry enough to work when no one's watching. This is Fuel for Hustlers, the place where real stories fuel real dreams. If you felt something today, like this video, subscribe, and comment below.